Hello, today I'm going to be showing you what you can make with your Christmas blockbuster. Let's get started. So I have chosen to demo with the Snowy Days Lovebirds kit. Okay, so we will need a 7x7 card blank and a matching mirror mat. We're going to take the foiled cardstock to create our mat and layers. So I have chosen to do 2 notches on either side to create the perfect mat and layer. We're then going to take a piece of foiled acetate that I have cut to 7 inches tall to match the card blank, and then 8.5 in length. And I'm going to place that on the scoreboard and score 1/2 inch at each end. And then I'm just going to place that to one side. I'm then going to bring my topper sheet in and select a few to go on the front of my card. And then once you're happy with the layout, you can then use some foam pads or some adhesive to put those onto your card. Perfect. We're then going to add our acetate bow front onto our card stock, and that is going to provide us with the perfect bow fronted window. So we're going to use ultra high tack red tape. And then finally, we're going to adhere all of that to the front of our card blank. Finally, I'm going to just embellish the front of my acetate with some gold and silver gemstones. And that is my card all finished.